niggas. They be grown men, but that little boy these niggas.
Oh, they playing music in here. I don't want to get copyrighted. Use my way.
I don't fucking know.
But yeah, we just ordered our drinks or whatever. I got water. She got lemonade, and I'm about to get the Low Country Boy. What you finna get?
It's cold as fuck here. I don't know, but it's cold.
It is cold, and I don't got no jacket. That's that. I'm gonna come back once we got our food because I don't want to get copyrighted.
At least you got on the black.
All right, y'all. So we just left. Top crab or whatever.
Okay, can we all review that shit? Cause it was
Okay, so my food was a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
It was
My shit was busting, but I haven't ate all day, so that's why I was just busting. Like
she was gonna eat it regardless because
regardless.
exactly she eat everything. What about you? She was gonna eat it regardless.
I'm gonna say it was like a 4, 5,
A 4?
4.5, maybe 5.
I give my shit.
Cause like Rocket crab was good as fuck. Top crab was just
Rockin' crab 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Everything was good.
It's okay,
But
like, it
the
could've
top
been
crab
better.
we was at, I give it a 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, everything was good other than the
eggs was fucking
yeah.
shit. Y'all,
She didn't like
why
the
the
corn, but
fuck-
the corn was
the
good.
corn
as fuck
was-
Yeah,
to
the
me.
corn was good.
No,
What the fuck
I
you
don't know
talking
what
about?
the fuck
Y'all,
y'all
why the
talking
fuck
about.
we bit into these eggs and they was more? Y'all, why we bit into these eggs and they was more gray than yellow? How the fuck you overcook an egg?
And then my shrimp tasted weird. Y'all shrimp tasted weird?
My shrimp was okay. my crawfish tasted weird.
No, I had the crab legs with the sausage, corn, and eggs.
Girl, fuck them crab legs. Them shit did
It
not
was
wanna
good as
open.
fuck.
Them shit
They
did
didn't
not
put
want to
clams
open.
in my shit. I was mad with it.
Okay,
She got
but why
clams
all
that
my
they didn't even
clams?
put in her food, so
Why I got clams and most of all the little clam meat fell to the bottom? Like I'm having to dig in that hole for little pieces of meat.
I'm weak. But yeah, y'all, right now we about to go to the mall, see
we
what we
about
can
to-
find in
hold
there.
on.
She's trying to find some shoes. I am too slick trying to find some shoes because my
Like,
birthday this
school finna
month.
come up.
And I'm trying to be looking good, so hopefully I can find some shoes. If
You
I
know what else
can't,
we looking for?
I'm gonna just order the shoes. If you see me, trying to see what's up. Looking back, got a stupid one. Hold it on. When I holler ski, then he pull up.
Pop it, sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1, baby, breaking that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the dick, keep it get on her neck. She only call me for 6, speeding the bitch. I stick up my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist. I used to drop it at X, on the song, gotta keep it a gun. Now they bring about that strong, fucking hoe by the week every month. She want me.
Or whatever. And Carly got some shoes that I wanted or whatever. So I just got all white. We got the same kind of shoes, but I just got all white, and hers got colors in them. Like, y'all, I had a whole outfit picked out for these shoes and everything. But yeah, right now, what stores are going to? I gotta get a couple more things from a couple more stores, and that's really about it. Y'all, so we are in Bone.
Oh, I thought it stopped recording.
I know it's still recording. Y'all, so we in Barnes and Noble or whatever, and we waiting on Shay to get her book.
Yeah.
She's a book reader. So we waiting on
We
her
don't
to
fuck
get
with
books.
that shit. We fuck with Dr. Seuss.
Little kid books. I'm not a reader. I barely read in school. But when a teacher asked me to read though, I read. But
Hold on, let me give y'all
other than that, I don't like reading. What is y'all, Carly is acting like a little kid in the store. Oh, look what she's doing.
What's that song I was singing?
What?
Oh, but I wanna be an author. I can go anywhere.
Oh my god. To be honest, right now it's like 2 and 1 and it's the next day or whatever. But I didn't finish vlogging yesterday because when I got back home, y'all, I was tired, and we was just, after we had left the mall, we went back to Carly's cousin house or whatever, and we just chilled over there for a little bit, and we went back home. So I was tired after we left there, so I ain't really get a chance to finish vlogging or whatever. But I went to the mall yesterday originally to get some stuff because my man's birthday coming up. But I had got some Bath and Body Works yesterday, and he came to the mall or whatever, and he got me some lotion, some perfume that go with it, and this candle that go with it or whatever. It's the vanilla, y'all. This smells so good. Like, this the warm vanilla, and this is the bare vanilla. Y'all, I'm getting more into the vanilla scent. Like, lately it been smelling so good to me. So I got that yesterday, and I gotta go back to a couple of stores today. And me and Carly going to the movies later to see the new scary movie that came out called Talk to Me or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I get with Carly. All right, y'all, so right now we at Target, and I came here because let's show you the outfits. Yeah, but I came here because I need to get some
we both got shit.
some AirPods or whatever, and that's really it. After here, we're going to the movies to go see, what's the movie called? Talk to Me. I hope it's good, and I hope we don't waste our money.
Good.
You think so? Because I've been seeing on Facebook people talking about it's okay, it's not really scary like that, but I hope it is. I hope we get the experience of it being scary, because if we don't, then that was a waste of time. A waste of time and a waste of money. But yeah. I'm waiting for the lady to bring out the AirPods or whatever. Carly in here showing out in these people's store.
I'm a trapper. Let a nigga try me like I'm just another rapper. I'm a beast. Yeah, nigga, I'm a dog.
What's up, y'all? So we are on the way to Carly's house right now. We just left my house, and we was playing this game called Culture Tags or whatever, and it was fun or whatever. We was just trying to kill time.
None of them right.
I got like 2 right. It was like 2 right. I got like 2 right.
And her brother helped her on one of them.
Yeah, I got helped with one of them, but we're not gonna speak on that though. But yeah, we're on the way to Carly's house right now. She got to do her hair or whatever. We're probably gonna get something to eat later. And yeah,
my pictures.
Y'all, Carly had school today. Tell them how your first day went.
I don't like none of them hoes. Let me stop. But I don't like that fucking school, so I don't really give a fuck. I don't know how.
I'm weak.
I went straight.
I guess it was a chill little day.
I guess.
But yeah, we're on the way to Carly's house right now, and I'm gonna get back to y'all once we get there. All right, y'all. So I'm at Carly's house right now, and we're finna get ready to do her hair. Y'all like this hat? It's giving. You feel me? It's giving.
Not bald headed, y'all. I'm just putting.
It's giving tomboy.
It's giving bad bitch.
I don't know what it's giving.
Yeah.
It's giving she finna get her hair done.
Yeah, bitch. Don't play with me. Pink wig.
Y'all feel like this gonna be cute on her. She said she don't know, but I feel like this color real cute.
Dip
like,
it in the light pink first, though.
She dyed it so good. Like, get into the color.
Yeah.
She dyed it so good, y'all.
It's
gonna eat. It's gonna eat. She's gonna look good, and y'all gonna see the aftermath. And let her know in the comment section how it look, cause it's gonna give. It's gonna give. So I'm gonna get ready to wash Carly hair, and yeah.
Yourself to me.
whatever to get some hair glue because Carly didn't have no hair glue, so we got the hair glue and we got the red
Ghost
what's that? We got the red Ghost Bond, and right now we finna head back so we can finish her hair. Alright y'all, so I'm back at Carly's house and I'm about to get ready to do her hair, whatever. I already did the braid down, and yeah, y'all finna see the process, so let's get into it.
Learn yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always wanted to, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all go on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. They're like guns with the aching, yeah. Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. You my heart for this can't be the first time. We my heart for this version of mine. I'm looking for some things that I've never. You gotta share somebody to love for the blue fly. Some things that I think that I can find. Oh baby, oh baby, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just let it alright. Oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop.
So Mia doing the last little touches or whatever, and it looked real fucking good. Bitch, it's giving scalp as fuck.
The pink, yeah.
I'm excited because it looks so fucking good. I'm gonna be outside tomorrow.
Get the close up of the scalp, like it gives so bad.
Oh, bitch, it's melted as fuck. Oh, please, y'all.
So
my face breaking out, but yeah, I'm gonna crimp it, but right now I'm not because my edge is probably gonna be messed up in the morning. I'm not even gonna lie. It's giving bubblegum. Bubblegum in a dish.
Oh, let's take some pictures.
Yeah.
Wait.
We gotta go in there though.
Lighting.
There.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, we'll be back.